everyone, welcome back. If you want to verify your identity on Coinbase, this video will show you how Coinbase requires ID verification for security and legal compliance. Until your identity is verified, some account features will be limited. To begin, go to the Coinbase Help Center and open the Verify Your Identity page. Sign in to your account, click Verify Identity, and upload a valid government-issued ID such as a passport or driver's license. Make sure your ID is valid, not expired, and clearly visible. If Coinbase asks for a selfie or video verification, simply follow the on-screen instructions. If you don't have one of the accepted IDs, contact Coinbase support to see if alternative options are available. After uploading your documents, Coinbase will review them. Verification usually takes 24 to 48 hours. Once approved, your account will be fully verified. That's it. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.